I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 12. An increase in supply means that A. More is sold at different price. B. More is sold at the same price. C. There is a leftward shift of the supply curve. D. There is a movement along the supply curve. Now, supply, the concept of supply refers to the quantity of commodity which a producer is willing and able to offer for sale at a particular price and at a particular period of time. Now, when there is increase in supply, the supply curve shifts to the right, indicating that at the old or at the same price, more of the goods is sold. So more is sold at the same or old price. That is what happens when there is an increase in supply, and it's also indicated by a shift to the right on the supply curve. So more is sold at the same price is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.